Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Webull application. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, open the Webull application on your device. After you're inside the main homepage of Webull, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the settings button from the list, and from the settings menu, go ahead and spot the logout button, which will appear at the very bottom of the screen right under switch account. Tap on logout in order to log out of your Webull account. But remember that you must know your credentials before logging out, since you will be prompted to enter your credentials, whether it is your email address or your mobile number. After you are sure you'd like to get out of the account, tap on OK and you will be redirected to this page and you can see that you have been logged out. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.